Okay, so state your name. What are your names?
Michaela, my name is Mariah.
Okay, Michaela. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor when I grow up.
And a doctor, what does a doctor do?
It helps
Hmm?
people not be sick.
Or help people not to be sick?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and do you believe in Jesus?
Yes.
And do you believe, look at the camera. Do you believe in God?
Yeah.
Do you believe that Jesus is the only way?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yeah. It helps.
Huh?
Not to.
Do you believe in Jesus,
Yes.
that He is the only way
Mm-hmm.
to heaven,
Yeah, to heaven.
right?
Mm-hmm.
There is no other way
Yeah, to other way.
to go to heaven,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. And so if you don't become a doctor, what else do you want to do?
I want to do. I want to be. I want to be a dentist when I grow up.
You want to be a dentist?
Yeah.
What does a dentist do?
It's helping. It helps people not to be sick.
Where?
It helps people not to be sick.
What does the doctor do? Dentist do?
Tell me. It helps to check the tongue,
No, not tongue.
teeth.
Their teeth, yeah.
It's not fun.
It's not funny. Okay, thank you. So you want to be a dentist?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
it's not funny.
Okay. Look at the camera, please. Okay, that's good. What is your favorite Bible verse?
My favorite Bible verse is
What does it say?
Jesus goes to up heaven
Mhm.
and heaven.
Do you have a memory? Do you have a song that you like?
Yeah, I like that. Joy, joy, joy.
Joy, joy, joy. Okay. So what do you want to tell Jesus today?
I want Jesus to think about it.
To think about what?
It's not funny. Sorry.
Okay, what do you want to tell Jesus?
Jesus, I want to tell Jesus that I stay away from him. I stay from Jesus. I stay from Jesus.
No, you don't want to tell Jesus that.
No, I want to stay with Jesus.
You want to stay with Jesus, right?
Yeah, not to go anywhere.
Yeah, not to go anywhere. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day, okay?